In this question, you have to identify the correct match. Option A, ribozyme is to nucleic acid. Now this is the correct match because ribozymes are RNA molecules, that is a type of nucleic acid that function as enzymes to catalyze biochemical reactions such as the cleavage and ligation of RNA. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, F2 into recessive parent is to dihybrid cross. This is incorrect because this represents a test cross. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, G. Mendel is to transformation. It is also incorrect because Mendel is known as the father of genetics for his work on inheritance pattern and not transformation, which was mainly carried out by Frederick Griffith in bacteria. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, T.H. Morgan is to transduction. This is also incorrect because T.H. Morgan is associated with the chromosomal theory of inheritance and specifically genetic linkage and not transduction, which were mainly discovered by the Zinder and Lederberg in bacteriophages.